Good morning. As you might know, I love to stuff spinach into an omelet. Today I'm having an egg white omelet with some shredded Parmesan cheese, wild smoked salmon, some organic parsley. There's some organic salsa in here as well. I'm waiting for the egg whites, these cage-free egg whites to set. And then you can put fresh baby spinach, fresh organic baby spinach in here and put a cover on top to wilt it and then fold the omelet, or you can prepare the omelet as I did over there at the back, sauteing it with a little chicken stock and some fish sauce, sesame oil, and some kind of no salt seasoning like Mrs. Dash, or the organic no salt seasoning like I find at Costco. So I placed a lot of spinach in here. There's a lot of ingredients in here. Let's see what happens when I try to fold it. I want to let the base of the omelet set before you do this. That's pretty good. Doesn't close all the way, but I'll take it. Some crushed red Aleppo pepper with the finishing touch here. Turning out the heat a little bit. Let the cheese melt and make sure. So I usually cut this into thirds so it serves 3 people. Enjoy. So this morning I'm going to have that with some organic quinoa, the leftovers with organic cannellini beans and organic diced tomatoes I made in the rice cooker, and a little bit more spinach. There's another great organic breakfast. Enjoy.